Introduction to Madhya Pradesh. Location: centrally located, known as the heart of India capital, Bhopal largest city. Indore official language, Hindi, known for rich heritage, wildlife, temples, classical music, and tribal culture. Historical and heritage sites: Khajuraho group of monuments, UNESCO, famous for erotic sculptures and Nagara style architecture. Sanchi Stoop, UNESCO, oldest stone structure in India, associated with Buddhism. and Ashoka Bhimbetka rock shelters, UNESCO, prehistoric cave paintings dating back to the Stone Age. Gwalior Fort, imposing fort with palaces, temples, and musical history. Orchha Fort complex, includes Jahangir Mahal and Raj Mahal, Bundela dynasty's legacy. Mandu, city of love, famous for Rani Roopmati's pavilion and Jahaz Mahal. Famous temples and religious sites: Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling, Ujjain, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Omkareshwar Jyotirling, located on Mandhata Island in Narmada River. Chaturbhuj Temple, Orchha, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Bhojeshwar Temple, Bhojpur, massive Shivalinga. Kandariya Mahadev Temple, Khajuraho, iconic temple with detailed sculptures. Famous Gurudwara Data Bandi Chhod, Gwalior, built in honor of Guru Har Gobind Ji, symbol of freedom and faith. UNESCO World Heritage Sites: Khajuraho group of monuments. Sanchi Stoop, Bhimbetka rock shelters. Fairs and festivals: Khajuraho Dance Festival, classical dances and temple backdrop. Tansen Music Festival, Gwalior, honors musical legend Tansen Malwa Utsav. Indore and Ujjain, folk art, crafts, and dance. Pachmadi Utsav, cultural fest in the hill station. Bhagoria Festival, tribal fest where young couples choose partners. Popular folk dances: Javra, performed with pots on heads, celebrating harvest. Matki dance, women dance balancing pots, often solo ride dance, performed by Bedia tribe, expressive and fast-paced. Bhagoria dance, tribal dance during Bhagoria fair. Famous foods and sweets: poha, flattened rice with onions and sev. Breakfast staple: dal bafla, wheat dough balls with dal and ghee. Bhutte ka case, grated corn cooked with milk and spices. Mawa bati, rich khoya sweet stuffed with dry fruits. Jalebi and imarti, popular desserts especially in Indore. Wildlife and national parks: Kanha National Park, inspiration for the Jungle Book. Bandhavgarh National Park, high tiger density. Pench National Park, rich biodiversity. Satpura National Park, offbeat jungle experience. Panna National Park, known for tigers and diamond mines. Unique features known as Tiger State of India hosts 3 Jyotirlingas, Mahakaleshwar, Omkareshwar, and one debated at Bhojpur, Central India's cultural capital, blending tribal, Hindu, Jain, and Buddhist heritage. Rich in classical music, birthplace of Tansen. Important exam points: UNESCO sites: Khajuraho, Sanchi, Bhimbetka tiger reserves, Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Panna, Pench, Satpura. Festivals: Khajuraho Dance Festival, Tansen Festival. Temples: 2 Jyotirlingas plus Bhojeshwar. Famous forts: Gwalior, Mandu, Orchha. Dance forms: Javra, Matki, Rai cuisine, poha, bhutte ka case, dal bafla. Thank you for watching DKD Education. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your valuable comments. Your support means a lot.